Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan the documents on an HP Deskjet printer using the printer itself and no extra application required. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open the scanner lid. So this is going to be the scanner lid. So you need to basically open it first. After that, it is going to look something like this. So on this particular section, you just have to place the document face down on this glass. You need to make sure that you line it up with the corner mark so that the scan comes out straight. After doing this, you just have to close the lid. Now, on your HP Deskjet printer, you are going to see the scan button. So the buttons on your printer are going to look something like this. So among these, you can just simply press the black copy button. So this is going to be the scan button. After pressing it, you just have to wait for some time until your printer prints automatically the document which you have added over here. Now, if nothing happens, you can press and hold the scan button for about 2 seconds because some of the models need a longer press. Now, your computer should open the scanned file automatically. Now, if your model doesn't have the scan button, you can also print or basically scan the documents with the help of your HP Smart application. So here on your HP Smart application, you are going to see the scan option. So here after tapping on the scan option, it will basically show you the document which you want to scan. So from giving the command from the your HP Smart application, you can easily print any of the documents perfectly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.